Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shivli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Today we will read EFT book, that means English for Today book from unit 1 to 7. So student, I am requesting all of you take out your book and follow this class. So everybody look at this book. Everybody take out this book, English for Today. Okay, it is your board book. So now unit 1 first. Unit 1 lesson from 1 to 3. Unit 1 greetings. That means a polite sign of welcome. Greetings means a polite sign of welcome. So when you meet someone, you can say good morning, hello. Okay. Now look, listen and say. Okay. This is a school. Okay. Some students are entering into their school and their greetings with each other. Okay, and these students say good morning and other students replied with good morning. And B, look, listen and say. And it is a classroom and the teacher entered into her classroom and say good morning students, and the students replied good morning teacher and good morning teacher. And now here are two students, and one student say good morning, how are you, and other students replied fine, thank you. Good morning, how are you, fine, thank you. Now next 4 page. Now introduction. That means a formal presentation of one person to another, and when you meet someone you can tell your names. Okay, and you can say how are you. Look, listen and say. And these students are saying how are you, and this student is saying fine, thank you. And look, listen and say. And they are saying what's your name, and she is saying I am Lana. Look, listen and do. I am Lana, what's your name? I am Sakib, and I am Sakib. What's your name? I am Luna, and they are introducing with each other. Okay, now lesson 4 from 4 to 6. Look, listen and say, trace in the ear. And here are given and apple. You can color it with color pen like this. A, capital A, small a. And say and read, trace and write. That means you have to write here capital letter A like this, and small letter A. And trace, say trace and write. That means apple, A-P-P-L-E. Write here apple, A-P-P-L-E. And right here in the gap you can write here A. And now come to the lesson number 1 to 3. Saying goodbye. That means goodbye, farewell. When you finish your conversation with someone, you can say goodbye. Look, listen and say. Hello students. Teacher is saying hello students. Okay, students is saying hello teacher. Look, listen and say goodbye teacher. After finishing their class, the teacher saying goodbye teacher and students saying goodbye students. Now look at this rhyme. Look, listen and say. Okay, it is a rhyme. Rhyme's name is goodbye, goodbye. So goodbye, goodbye, it's the end of the day. Goodbye, goodbye, now it's time to play. Again I am saying this rhyme. Goodbye, goodbye, it's the end of the day. Goodbye, goodbye, now it's time to play. Next, look, listen and say, taste in the ear. this is ball, and you can color it. B, small letter B, and capital letter B. And say and read, trace and write. B, right here B, and small letter B, and ball, that means BA. Here we can write BALL. Here in these two gaps you can write B, then ALL. Now come to the next page. Numbers. Look, listen and say and trace in the year count. Now you have to count it. Here are given two pictures of ants. So one picture of ball. So you can color it. Say and read, trace and write 1, 1, 1. You have to write here 1, 1 like this, and 2, 2, 2, 2. Count, trace and write 1 apple, 2 balls, 2 ants. Here 2 ants, and 1 ball, 1 ant, and 2 apples. Now come to the next page. Look, listen and say, trace in the ear. This is cap and this is cat. So these two words are starting with C. Right? Color it. Okay, capital C and small c. Right here capital C and small c. And say, trace and write cap. CAP, cap, and right here C, CAP, and cap, 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 and cat, CAP, cat. Now commands. Look, listen and say. This is window, you know, and door, chair, floor, bag, pencil, book, table. Okay, when someone order you, that means command, stand up. Okay, sit down, go to the door, point to the window. Rhyme, listen and say and do. Stand up, sit down, point to the floor, point to a book, go to the door. That means stand up, sit down, point to the floor, point to a book, go to the door. Now lesson 4 from 4 to 6. Look, listen and say, trace in the ear. It is dog, and D for dog. So color it and write here capital D and small d. And say, trace and write dog, D-O-G, dog, D-O-G, dog, and D-O-G, dog. Now again numbers. Look, listen and say and trace in the ear count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Say and read, trace and write 3, 3, 3. We have to write here 3 like this, and 1, 2, 3. So now we'll write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count, trace and write 3 ants. Here are given 3 ants, 2 caps. So in the gap we can write here 2. And here are given 3 balls. So we have to write here 3. And 2 apples. So write here 2. 3 dogs. Write here 3. And 1 cat. Now look, listen and say, trace in the ear. E for elephant, E for egg. So these two words are starting with starts with E. So color it like this and write here capital E and small e. And elephant spelling E E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. So E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. And egg, E-G-G, egg. And rhyme, look, listen and say tiger and stream, that means small river. Rhyme, look and say the little tiger sitting by a stream, Mushfiq, Saqib and Tamim. Bye bye Mushfiq, bye bye Tamim, a little tiger sitting by a stream. Now I am going to tell this rhyme again. Okay, the three little tigers sitting by a stream, Mushfiq, Saqib and Tamim. Bye bye Mushfiq, bye bye Tamim, a little tiger sitting by a stream. And last page for today, say, trace and wash. You have to match it. Okay, here are given some small letters and capital letters. You have to match small letter with capital letter. So here A small and capital letter, B match it, B, and C, D, and last one E. Now say and match the pictures with the first letters. Cap, C for cap, so match it. And, A for ant. Ball, B for ball. Dog, D for dog, and E for elephant. And write the capital letters. Here are given small letters, you have to write here capital letters. A, so capital A. B, capital B. C, capital C. D, capital D, and E, capital E. So students, there is no homework today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Stay well and keep practicing at home. Thank you all of you.